afternoon, everyone. It's Jacqueline Cartin back again from Pure Nutrition. We're back again here in Jackie's kitchen. I hope today finds you all well on this chilly autumn day. Hopefully I'm going to interest you in looking at this next nice warming autumn recipe. There's nothing like a bit of nice comforting food for this time of year, just to keep the mood up and also keep us warm and healthy as well. So today I have decided to make another one of my favourites using some lovely nutritious ingredients, but equally just very tasty as well. We're going to be making mushroom, thyme and feta parcels, and they are just such a nice comforting food to be having at this time of year, yet we're putting the nutrients in there too. And we're going to serve that up with a nice winter salad using those lovely autumn winter leaves that I get from my local organic garden shop. And they are so tasty and nutritious at this time of the year. And we're going to top that with some nice homemade salad dressing, which again, we'll be talking a wee bit about the cost effectiveness of it as well. And hopefully you'll find that something that you might want to try at home, because it's so simple and extremely good on the pocket. We'll have a wee look at the ingredients and put the recipe together. So let's get cooking. We are going to use 3 portobello mushrooms, washed and the stems removed. 100 grams of feta cheese and 3 small sprigs of fresh thyme. 325 grams roll of puff pastry, 1 egg, sea salt and black pepper. Unwrap your puff pastry and cut into 4 strips. These mushrooms are quite large, so I'm going to cut them into halves. Place a half of mushroom onto each strip. Then pack the centre of the mushroom with 25 grams of feta. Then sprinkle with fresh thyme, sea salt and black pepper. Now wrap the pastry around the mushrooms and place onto a baking tray. Repeat this process for the 4 strips of pastry. You will then have your 4 mushroom feta parcels on the baking tray. Then score the top of each parcel with a sharp knife. Now brush the edge of the mushrooms with a little olive oil on each side so the mushrooms will not dry out. Now take your 1 egg and make an egg wash. Then lightly brush the parcels before putting them into a preheated oven, gas mark 7 or 200 electric, for around 20 minutes until golden. Now we are going to make a quick, simple tahini salad dressing. You will need fresh lemon juice, tahini, olive oil and salt and pepper. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of tahini, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, mix together well and season to taste. Now that's our lovely mushroom, feta and thyme parcels ready for serving, golden and puffed up nicely. Let's slice into one and see its lovely filling. Smells great. Really looking forward to trying these. And that's our warming parcels ready to be served with our autumn salad leaves and our homemade tahini dressing. It looks so colourful and comforting. A great autumn evening supper to look forward to. And that's all the hard work done. We have the lovely results. A lovely dish that is packed with nutrients and really good quality as well. Kitchen smells fabulous. So just to run over what we used in that, the likes of the portobello mushrooms, they're a stronger tasting mushroom. They are actually a bit firmer than the smaller mushrooms, almost a meat-like texture to them, and very filling. They're a great source of fibre and protein, and they're also rich in antioxidants as well. The feta, that's a really rich calcium-based food, which is good for our bone health, and it's good for muscle and nerve function as well. So these are all vital nutrients that we really need to be putting into our body on a daily basis, and there's no better way of doing it than putting it in through our food. It's much more cost effective when we do it from home, from our own kitchen when we can. The thyme is a great herb. It's an evergreen. It grows easily here. It's a very good one for coughs and colds. So it's one I tend to use more in the autumn and winter months. You would tend to see it used in a lot of cough mixtures. So why not add it to your food? It's a very cheap herb to buy, but it grows very easily as well. And then you have our lovely tahini dressing, where we were using the cream sesame seeds, which is tahini. Now they are a really rich source of calcium and fibre, good for bone health, and it is actually rich in protein as well. Fibre makes us feel full up for longer when we use good sources of it. So when you combine all those foods together to make a lovely, nutritious, and I must say, very tasty meal. To me, sometimes those wee meals can look a little sort of posh looking, but they're so simple to put together. And then that brings me to the cost effectiveness of it. When I added all these ingredients together, one portion of this dish would have been $1.20 per serving, under £5 for 4 people. Once we realise the food is getting more costly, that actually cooking the food, using the energy, all of those things are becoming big factors for many people in many homes now. So it doesn't mean that we have to deplete our nutritional value in what we're eating, because that in turn, if we eat good food, it makes us feel warmer from the inside out as well. So it helps us stay warm, it helps us stay healthy. If we batch cook, as I've done here, those parcels could be made up and you can freeze them if there's only a few people or you're cooking for one, and then just pull them out of the freezer, pop them in the oven, have them with a bowl of soup. It's such a wee versatile recipe to use, but equally tasty as well. So economically, nutritionally, I hope you found that really helpful, and I hope it's something that you might try at home. If you do, let us know how you get on, and let us know how you're enjoying the program and the videos. Ask me any questions if you wish. And keep tuning in, folks, and we'll keep making nice, tasty, nutritious, affordable, practical foods that can keep us well and healthy over these winter and autumn months. Okay, till next week, take care. Bye for now. Pure Nutrition is available by phone and online. We offer one-to-one based consultations and healthy cookery classes to individuals and groups such as friends, community organisations and workplaces. Our services are delivered via Zoom, Facebook Live, pre-recorded sessions or by phone. For more information, you can contact Pure Nutrition via phone, email, Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. Thank you.